welcome to House of Hybrid. My name is Renato, and today the tutorial video is how to remove a hybrid battery from a 2014 Prius V. Okay, it's a little different than the others, but it's simple. I'm gonna show you. So first thing that you do, you're gonna push those seats down, put the seat down and push forward. On this side here you have a 10 millimeter bolt here.
That's the only bolt holding this cover.
And then you can pop this whole cover out. So then you can access the high voltage battery. So, and like the other Prius, you're gonna get this cover out. All the cover compartment also you're gonna get out. To have a complete access to the battery. Okay, and now we're gonna need 12 millimeter socket. And the first thing ever you do when you work on the hybrid batteries is disconnect the safety plug. And it's simple. You pull this way, you show the word unlock, pull out and pull. Okay, now what you're gonna do is there is a little plastic clip here that we're gonna remove. And you save this and you wear it, and you just pull this plastic vent out. In this case the battery never been touched, so this one is the seal that protects against the warranty. So if you break those seals, warranty is gone. In this case, this is from a company, Fleet, and they already been through all the mileage, so this is not under warranty anymore. But there's a little trick to take this one out without to break the. But another clip here on the fan. We're taking that out, and at front here we're gonna remove those two 12 millimeter bolts. One here, one in the corner. Okay, there's two on the side here, 1 and 2. It's kind of hard to access, but with a swivel would be easier. Or also you can remove the cover. One is out. Two. And the other side now, on this side also we have 2. 1 and 2. And we're gonna get those out also. There we go. The battery is all loose, but we need to take this cover off. There's 1, 2, 10 millimeter nuts. There's one more here on this side. One more over here. That's tying the cover out. Now we're taking this clip off. The way I do, I just put this on it, rotate it, and then pop out. This one here we have to remove as well. And now the whole cover will come out easy.
Here we're safe right now because we already removed the safe plug. And those two relays get cut once the key's off, so don't allow the power going to those terminals. So we are safe to work on it.
So we're taking those two. And here is where you see there's a lot of dust on it, and that's the cause of the early fail of this battery. Okay, so this battery overheats, so probably none of the cells gonna be good to work on it anymore. So we're gonna put a new completely cells on it. You can see the fan is all dust, all filled of dust. Okay.
Because this vent is located under the carpet in the back seat, is pull a lot of dust. So I highly recommend to do a battery cleaning service once a year to prolong your battery life.
Out of the cable holder here, and there's a couple connectors in the front that we need to remove. So what we're gonna do here, this one, always remember, don't pull by the wires. If you have any problem, you push the pin in order to unlock, and use a screwdriver to pry bar out this. Again here, and use a screwdriver to pop that out. And there's one more wire here, one more cable, a holder here on the corner too that we need. Just remove the tan that holds the bracket, and gonna be out of our way. So gonna be out of it. And there's one cable that get hold by the fan, and there's ready to come out. Now we have everything ready to come out. I recommend to have a help of someone to pull that out, because it's kind of heavy. Will do myself just because I'm doing the video. There's no room to other people help out over here. But
So that's how we remove it. And soon I will be making a video how to disassemble the whole battery internal. And to install back, it's just a reverse way that you took it off. And if you guys have any questions or would like to see any special video, especially regarding electric or hybrid vehicles, I'll be glad to post it to help you guys out. Thanks for watching, and I see you next video.